Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off hints on your game within Gardenscapes. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Gardenscapes game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken through the main tutorial levels. Once you have completed the basic tutorial levels, you will gain access to more and more tasks within the to-do page. Now, once you gain enough experience by doing tasks, you will be able to access much more features than during the beginning of the game. If you click on the gear icon at the top right corner, you will see various different settings. However, there is no direct option to turn off hints within the game. So the only option is to continue playing the game and get through the beginning levels, which shows you the most of the hints. Once you have completed these basic levels, you can play the game without any hints. So complete the first few levels, and once you do each task for the first time, the hints will automatically start to disappear. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to turn off hints within the Gardenscapes game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.